We take this time to honor today's four-state hero, Sergeant Brandon Jones, a member of the United States Marine Corps. He served in Iraq and in Afghanistan. In 2006, his hometown, Riverton, Kansas. We are proud to salute Brandon Jones, our four-state hero.
The birthday list begins with Maddox Paul Robert Grant. And when you rock a bow tie at the age of 1, my man, you're off to a great start right there. The MPRG celebrating the big #1 in Chicopee with love from Papa and Mimi.
I feel like you're a poet. Didn't know it. Okay, Emmett Rogers is turning 6 years old this year in Liberal, Missouri. There he is with his best friend there. Emmett, happy birthday.
Angel Ortiz Rice celebrates his 7th birthday. Angel, a very happy birthday to you, my man.
All right, happy birthday, Angel. And Hunter Schultz. We're told that Hunter shot both of these snakes with one shot. All right, he's our neighbor in Crestline, turning 9 years old. Nice job there, Hunter.
No joke. Go get him, Hunter. Deadeye right there. Ethan Sutterby. He is now 12 years old. Ethan, I want you to have a marvelous day. He's in Iowa.
Cassidy Cooper is 18 years old, recent grad there in Stark, Kansas. Happy birthday, Cassidy.
Tom Farrell had a birthday earlier this week. We just want to make sure we got our hands on a picture of him as he celebrates his 39th birthday in Oswego. And Tom, this comes with love from mom, kids, and the fam.
And if it's time for Tom to celebrate, then we know it is time for Odessa Farrow to celebrate as well. Turning 65 years old. Birthday was actually on Monday with love from the kids and grandkids, also in Oswego.
Glenda Ragland, a very happy birthday to you. Miss Glenda, she is celebrating in Riverton. Got one more that we want to pass along as well. How about this milestone as Fred and Lou Kennedy are celebrating their 70th anniversary in Walnut. Congratulations and happy anniversary to Fred and Lou. Happy birthday and happy anniversary to all. Here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMnewsnow.com. Sign up for the KOM Birthday Club today.
Good old-fashioned Central Plains thunderstorm outbreak is what we've got on our hands for a Thursday morning. Zoom in here on the 4 states, and we've been relatively lucky here in the past couple of hours as our rain has really begun to lighten up compared to where it was a little bit ago. We're now seeing one move just to the north of Greenfield and Nevada. Last thing Vernon County needs is more rain, especially with the flood warnings on the rivers, but Nevada getting a fair dose of it too. Haven't picked up any lightning, at least in the last 5 minutes. Now, speaking of Nevada, that's where we go to the north, and we have the flood warning for the Osage and Little Osage indicated in green, lasting until the weekend. Turn our attention to our far northern counties, and that's where we've got a severe thunderstorm watch until 8 a.m. for everybody. They're in the orange, so in our far northern county, we're talking about Bates, and that moves up into Cass and Jackson County as well. And then throughout Kansas, you've got Lynn and Miami County as a part of that, and because that is that's where it's getting nasty up there to the north. They have let that severe thunderstorm warning that they had to the north of us, that has been allowed to expire. This thing's moving to the east at 30 miles per hour. We're getting just a tad bit of fallout from it. But now as we look back to the west here, we got a nice little dry slot. We've got heavy cloud cover, but going to get a break here for everybody that needs to be on the road in, say, the next half an hour, 45 minutes. So we'll count that as a win for today. Temperatures in the mid 60s to low 70s as we stand here just at the about 7 o'clock hour. But look at what we've got for this afternoon. We're going to revamp as everything moves in and drops down. Whole lot of rain for the central and southern portions of the 4 states for this afternoon and the evening hours. We're not going to clear out all the way until Friday morning. Now, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday going to be good, and we're going to need it because we're going to need plenty of sunshine to dry out after what we get from today. We'll be back, wrap up this edition of the KOM Morning News right after this.